Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you how to remove the audio from your video and replace it with a new audio, and we will loop through if the audio length is shorter than the video. So this is a very complex FFMPG command, but it's very easy to learn. So it will basically do a lot of good things. So we have a simple video file. Let me play it. So this is my
Hello guys,
original
welcome.
video.
Comment variable created a conceit.
You can see it's the original video right here with my original voice here. So what
The
I will
same
do,
command
what this FFmpeg command will do, it will remove this audio from this video.
FFmpeg just
So first of all, it will remove this audio and it will replace this with this beep sound. You will see. So it's a 1 second beep sound mp3 file. If you see, we have this beep in the same directory, and we will first of all remove this audio and then replace this inside entirety with this beep sound. So just open a command line in the directory where all these assets are present and simply type here ffmpeg and then -i to provide the input file name. So input file name is 2.mp4. So after that we simply say dash stream and dash stream underscore. So here we just need to write underscore loop dash stream underscore loop and then -1 and dash I, and here we need to loop through this new audio. If you see, this is the name of the audio file, so we simply say beep.mp3, and after that we just need to map to the entire video. So we use this map filter dash map, after that 0:v. So this is, after that we simply write dash map 1.1_a. So just pause the video and just write whatever I'm writing right here, underscore a. After that we need to simply copy the encoding settings. For doing that we simply say -c:\v. So this will copy the encoding settings, and here we simply write copy and dash shortest. So it will take short amount of time, and then the output file name. So we will say replaced.mp4. So what this is command is doing, guys, we are providing the input file name, then we are removing the original audio and replacing it with this new audio, and we are looping through and we are copying the encoding settings, and then this is your output file name. So if I press the enter key, and you will see it will process this input video file and it will create a new video file right here. And if I try to open this, you will see the audio is removed. So you can, as you can see, the audio which was there in this video is completely removed and it has been replaced by a new audio. This can be any music file as well. You can replace it with any music which will appear. For copyright issues, I'm just using this beep sound. So you can just have any mp3 file, you can replace it with any new mp3 file that you recorded. So this, I've given this command in the description of this video. So just execute this and it will do this. It will remove the original audio and replace it with the whatever mp3 file that you want to use to the entirety of the video. So this was a tutorial in FFmpeg which will save you a lot of time, because many a times you want to replace audio inside your video for some reason. So this command will, in that situation, will be very useful. So I've given this command in the description of this video, and also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools regarding audio, video and image.